Hello friends! Is your brake pedal feeling unusually hard or unresponsive? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0558, it means there's a problem with the brake booster pressure sensor circuit, high input. This issue can lead to inconsistent braking power, making your car unsafe to drive. In this video I'll explain what P0558 means, its symptoms, sensor locations and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0558 code stands for Brake Booster Pressure Sensor Circuit High Input. The brake booster pressure sensor measures the vacuum pressure inside the brake booster and sends this information to the engine control module. If the ECM detects a voltage reading that is too high, it triggers code P0558, which can cause braking issues and potential safety risks. Common symptoms of P0558: check engine light is on, brake pedal feels too stiff or too soft, car takes longer to stop, hissing sound near the brake booster engine stalls when braking. If you're facing these issues, let's find the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0558, check these key components. Brake booster pressure sensor. Location: mounted on the brake booster, typically on the driver's side firewall. Brake booster assembly. Location: connected to the master cylinder, helps with vacuum-assisted braking. Vacuum hoses and check valve. Location: rubber hoses running from the intake manifold to the brake booster. Tip: a failing brake booster pressure sensor can cause dangerous braking conditions. Common causes of P0558 faulty brake booster pressure sensor. The sensor is failing and sending incorrect signals. Short circuit in the wiring. A damaged or corroded wire can send excessive voltage to the ECM. Brake booster vacuum leak. A cracked or disconnected vacuum hose can cause signal issues. Brake booster malfunction. If the booster fails, braking assist will not work properly. ECM issue. A rare case where the ECM misinterprets sensor data. How to fix P0558? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0558 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the brake booster pressure sensor for physical damage or corrosion. Step 3. Check the wiring harness for loose, broken or frayed connections. Step 4. Test the sensor's voltage output using a multimeter. Step 5. Examine vacuum hoses for cracks or disconnections. Step 6. Replace the faulty sensor or damaged wiring and clear the code. Ignoring P0558 can result in hard braking, inconsistent stopping power, and potential accidents. Fixing it early ensures safe and smooth braking. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0364, ignition coil M, primary secondary circuit malfunction P0365, camshaft position sensor B, circuit malfunction. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.